front number.
And that is with the ring race. So the mechanics of this game, the first bird who dropped all 3 rings to the pole the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race. So are you guys ready for the second round?